The following demonstration shows the capabilities of Beesender AI Chat Assistant, an intelligent reply suggestion engine designed for contact center teams in Creatio. We begin with the Creatio interface, where the agent's workspace is open and the agent is online. A client initiates a conversation via WhatsApp, asking about loan payment deferral. The agent opens the chat in the Creatio CTI panel. Beesender AI Chat Assistant provides a ready-to-send response, complete with a personalized greeting and a relevant answer. As an alternative, the agent could manually search the knowledge base, but that takes longer, as shown here. The agent chooses to send the AI-generated message. The client sends another message with a follow-up question. Again, Beesender AI Chat Assistant offers an instant, relevant suggestion. Alternatively, the agent could search through predefined response templates. Also more time-consuming, the agent sends the AI suggestion. The client sends another message with a new question, continuing the conversation. Beesender AI Chat Assistant analyzes the context and suggests a relevant response. The agent quickly reviews it and sends the message. The conversation naturally comes to an end as the client sends a final thank you. AI generates a polite closing line, which the agent sends to conclude the chat on a positive note. In the second part of the demo, we showcase the chat summarization feature. The agent navigates to the chat record and closes the conversation. The chat summary by AI is generated automatically, capturing key points of the conversation. The same client initiates a new chat. The agent can instantly review both the full message history and the AI-generated summary, providing context and continuity. With Beesender AI Chat Assistant, contact center teams using Creatio can respond faster, reduce routine work, and maintain exceptional service quality.